Hey guys, so today I'll be showing you a mini haul of what I got from ipandacakes. So first, this is how it looks like inside. And she gave it to me in this paper bag, which is pretty cute. So let's get started. So the first squishy I received is this Beth Cooler donut. And this is the white and the pink one. It is pretty squishy. So the second squishy I received is this Hello Kitty powdered reproduced donut. So for the next squishy I received is this Hello Kitty coffee cup. Here is the tag. It is pretty dense in my opinion. And the next squishy I received is this really realistic muffin. It is really soft and pretty sterilizing. The next squishy I received is this pink popsicle. And I heard that this is actually really dense, so yes, this is very dense. It's just like a stress ball material. So the next squishy I received is Mount Fuji, and this is actually really cute. Pretty dense. The next two squishies I received is this two koala biscuits. So this is the first design and this is the second design. So both of them have the same tag and the same squishiness, which is actually really dense. And the licensing. So the next squishy I received is this Andy Bakery sugar bun. It is really realistic and textured. So the next squishy I received is this Mickey Mouse two-tone Puni Puni. That's what I think it's called because that's what it says. This is soft but not so rising. So the next squishy I received is this Cat Toast, and I'm not really sure what character this is, which I'm pretty sure I saw it before. This is also soft only. Next I received is this mini face bun. So the next and the last three squishies that I received is this 3 Air Tsum Tsum squishies. So the first one is Goofy. The next one is Mary, or Marie, I'm not sure. And the last one is Donald the Duck. So yeah. So thank you guys for watching, and this is the end of the video. Please smash the like button if you enjoyed it and subscribe, as well as also go and check out her channel because she's really amazing. And I would also like to thank her for all the squishies, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!